Hello YouTube. I just installed the Pro Comp leveling kit, 2.25 inch leveling kit on a 2016 Silverado. I'm absolutely exhausted. That was a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. Well, let me show you. So this is the kit. All right, it basically came with two spacers. I will show you on my truck. Check it. Measurements before. The front was 22 to the center of the wheel, right and left, and 36 1/4 from the top of the wheel well to the ground. And the back was 24 from the center of the wheel to the top of the wheel well, and 38 3/4 to the ground. So here's how the truck sits. You can tell level from the front to the back. It's actually about a ½ an inch shorter still in the front than the rear, which is good. What I did is pull all this out. You can't see it, but there's a spacer that sits right on the top of the strut here. There's also a spacer that goes in right here at the bottom of the strut. All right. So I'm sitting on the ground wondering why I did all that work. Maybe I can fit a 32-inch tire on here. Maybe currently running 265 55 R20s. I'm not changing from my stock wheels. These are already ATs on here. It looks good. The level kit I think was worth it. I do have one concern, and I'm about to show you that now. All right, right there. This upper control arm right here. This is extremely close. That's gonna hit this. This is metal. I'm not cutting my truck. All right, so upper control arms are pretty expensive. There's a reason I bought the spacer kit and didn't do a full lift. I want this truck to fit in my garage. They said that this clearance is gonna be fine, but this is really close. You don't have the problem in the back. If you look at the back, below the control arm, there is nothing down there, all right? So there's no clearance issues on the rear of the control arm, but on the front, I feel like this could be a problem. And I took it for a drive. I got no clanking. Everything seems fine. So after to the center of the wheel, I'm 24 inches from the center to the top of the wheel well. From the wheel well all the way to the ground, I'm 38 1/4. So if you look at what I measured initially, that is exactly 2 inches. They advertise it as a 2 1/4 inch lift. I'm measuring exactly 2 inches here, all right? And again, that's for the Pro Comp level kit with a spacer at the top of the strut and a spacer at the bottom, all right?